Thank you so much for joining us today for this CLE program titled Depression, an Occupational Hazard of the Legal Profession. My name is Laurie Besden. I am the Executive Director of Lawyers Concerned for Lawyers of Pennsylvania. I've been with LCL since 2011, became Executive Director in 2015, and we present in the lawyers and judges assistance world on substance use, mental health, and topics, quite frankly, that people don't really like to talk about. Who wants to talk about depression? Not many of us, but survey says it impacts a lot more of us than we think it does. So I'm bringing this presentation to you just to provide you information, whether it's you, whether it's a family member, whether it's a colleague. It's always best if you're armed with information. I want to first start off, and this is always the most important thing I can say. Every state has a lawyers and judges assistance program. By virtue of you watching this CLE with Lawline, regardless of what state you're in, if you don't feel comfortable calling your own state's lawyers or judges assistance program, you are welcome to call our program and we will assist you. All programs kind of are funded a little bit differently and run a little bit differently, but for the most part, we offer the exact same services and support. Pennsylvania, I'm going to, obviously, because I'm from Pennsylvania, I'm going to talk about us specifically. We are 24/7, 365. These issues, substance use, mental health, grief, trauma, addiction, you name it, PTSD, these are not 9 to 5 issues. And I will share a very small part of my own journey and how I got to LCL. These are not 9 to 5 issues. And actually, more often than not, these are after hours issues. When you're home and you're struggling and you feel isolated and lonely and you need somebody to talk to, that's when you should think, hey, there's that lawyer's assistance program that's 24/7. What I can tell you in Pennsylvania and a good majority of the states, you're never going to get a voicemail when you call the helpline. You're not. There's only 7 people on our staff. After hours, we have an answering service. The medical bureau answers our helpline. Second question they ask you, do you need to speak to somebody on call? We're not 911 crisis. If you're calling for anything less than just a book, the answer is yes.